AICC, the Independent Packaging Association, is proud to recognize the many achievements of its members.
We're Pat and Martha Haddon with Packaging Atlanta Corp. We're here to talk a little bit about our 40 years of fun life experience with our family business. We started out working out of our house. We met pretty much at the same time, asked Martha to not only marry me, but to join the company and to answer the phones while I would go out and sell and try to earn and grow a business. "40 years has been fast and furious. We've grown to the point of getting into manufacturing, which wasn't my original intent.
As the AICC is celebrating their 50th year, we're celebrating our 40th year of both company and marriage. Our beginnings do go back to starting off out of a small residence. So from our humble beginnings of business plan on ledger paper to where we are today involves a lot of learning, a lot of different types of machinery, learning all about growing a workforce. Originally, we did not feel that any of our 5 children would grow up to want to be in the manufacturing business. We actually steered them away just due to stressful times over the years. And after a few years, they started coming back saying, we're kind of interested in the box business. So from there, we have gone on a different trajectory with our business becoming a family business, which has been wonderful and extremely rewarding.
Yeah, I think what happens is that through the course of transitioning ourselves from being in sales and trying to really start a company, what AICC brought, I thought was really interesting, is that we had a chance to meet other guys, other companies that had so many parts of the business that they could share, certainly other family-grown type of businesses as well. Most of the people here that we've met are wide open to allowing you to come in and see how they do things. Same goes with us. People visit with our plant as well.
The rooting into the AICC organization also has allowed us to understand and be so proud of being entrepreneurs and supporting our country. Can get in a room where people are proud of the flag and are proud of what they represent. It makes you stronger to come back and represent who we are, what our beliefs are, and what we support.
In 1984, Alliance Machine Systems, then known as Thermogard Equipment, shipped our first corrugated machine, a pre-feeder, from our facility in Spokane, Washington, to a plant about 100 miles away in Moses Lake. Born out of an insulation company's desire for innovation and longevity, Alliance has since provided over 20,000 machines to the corrugated industry. Our reach has expanded from Washington State to the rest of the U.S., then South America and beyond to Europe, with machine installations now across the globe. From our first machine, which laid the basis for all of our machines, to our newest offerings, the die-cut Raptor and the digital pre-feeder, Alliance continues to innovate and offer solutions for the corrugated industry. For 40 years, we have provided our customer base with ever-broadening lines of productivity-enhancing products and services. We are continuously improving all of our existing products and strive to have product lines that are based on a strong foundation of designs built to last decades, while constantly innovating with new machine options and retrofits for current machines. We offer a complete line of pre-feeders, a specialty folder gluer, bundle breakers, load formers, a robust line of automation, and many other solutions for corrugated plants. Alliance now employs over 300 employees, from support staff to engineers to manufacturing workers, each working hard to meet the needs of each unique customer. With 40 years of experience, Alliance Machine Systems is proud to be a trusted supplier for the corrugated industry. As we look toward the future, we are excited to continue providing cutting-edge solutions to our valued partners for years to come.
Automated Conveyor Systems Incorporated is a leading manufacturer and supplier of advanced material handling solutions. Our experience and innovation have changed the way products move from point A to point B. At ACS, we're on the move for you. ACS provides all various styles of conveyors, chain transfer devices, fork truck stations, electric and hydraulic centering devices, load tiering devices, pallet dispensing equipment, pallet delivery systems, right angle ejectors, turntables, safe walk conveyors, steady stack conveyors, and transfer cars. Every piece of equipment that bears our name is manufactured within our 13-acre campus and state-of-the-art manufacturing facility located in Lynchburg, Virginia, USA. This modern facility allows us to streamline our conveyor manufacturing processes, increasing overall efficiencies. That, combined with knowledgeable sales and service personnel, and we now supply equipment and business services to all 50 states and almost 50 countries worldwide. Using advanced 3D software, design engineers create an entire system in a virtual setting. Throughput capacities are calculated based on estimated production rates. ACS manufactures your material handling system to those exact specifications. On the manufacturing floor, raw materials are staged and the build process begins. Using state-of-the-art 3-axis CO2 and fiber optics, the highest quality metal components are cut, welded, and ground. Then a quality protective finish is applied. At assembly, robust framework is equipped with conveyor, electronics, and controls. All components are thoroughly tested to ensure the highest quality standards are maintained. To expand our services, we developed STARS, a fully automated inventory storage, tracking, and retrieval system. It's an ACS all-encompassing, configurable solution that interfaces with the customer's corrugator. In addition, ACS offers hybrid work-in-process systems that combine steady stack and standard roller conveyor, including zoned and accumulating storage systems. With ACS, quality is our focus. We're committed to achieving the highest quality results in all aspects of personal performance, manufacturing, and service. At ACS, we're on the move for you.
box industry, committed to offering reliable information, equipment, service, and support to the industry. From the 1950s to the late 1990s, Global offered a comprehensive range of new and used equipment. In that time frame, we learned from working with industry suppliers and customers what it takes to build a top-notch service team. Today, our focus is on providing new, high-speed equipment, empowering box makers with unmatched efficiency and service. Under the leadership of Jim Schiffman and the next generation, Global remains committed to its mission of bringing superior quality equipment to box makers at an affordable price. Our success is driven by our dedicated service and support team, prioritizing customer satisfaction, timely installations, and around-the-clock support. We take pride in our meticulous approach, ensuring a seamless installation process. But don't just take our word for it.
Global Boxmachine service team has been nothing short of fantastic when it comes to service and support. When one of our machines goes down, we pick up the phone. Folks like JC are on site in a matter of hours, and they work diligently until the machine is back up and running so that we can meet our customer demands and needs.
Global has helped this particular facility grow in taking items from a double pass to a single pass. It lets us be more competitive in the market and allows us to do things that we generally weren't able to do before.
When we're down, they're there, and when we need something fixed or something rearranged so that we can do something new and different with the machine, they're there to help. This K7 actually prints very, very well. We just did a fingerprint test where we never thought we'd be able to print 85-line screen, and boom, set the plates up and it ran like a champ. Jimmy and his leadership with Global Boxmachine is moving into the new world of servo technology, digital printing. Quite amazing to see this growth, and right on, Jimmy, keep doing it.
As we celebrate our 70th year in business here at Global Boxmachine, we remain committed to pushing boundaries, delivering superior equipment, and shaping the future of the industry, all while supporting the growth and success of our valued customers.
Welcome to Standard Printing Company, a digital and offset sheet-fed printing company specializing in serving the litho-label, top sheet, and digital corrugated markets on a national basis. The printing industry looks vastly different than it did 100 years ago when we were founded. Innovation and automation have progressed into the digital age, and current presses and processes would be unrecognizable to previous generations. During the past century, Standard Printing Company has been operating continuously as a privately owned family business serving a national customer base. Homer Bolender founded the company in 1923, and it remained in his family until 1981 when it was sold to Terry Nolan and his partners. He became the sole owner in 1991, and his son, Bill Nolan, likewise purchased the company with partners in 2019. You don't stay in business for 100 years unless you treat your customers and employees well and build relationships that reflect your family-driven values. Today, the company continues growing, evolving, and raising the standard of printing excellence. Contact us if we can help you with your printing solutions, and please join us for the next 100 years of our journey.
What propels a family business through a century? The answer lies in the success of the Bradford Company. 1897, W.J. Bradford breathes life into a paper company on the south side of Chicago.
Bradford Company in a nutshell is a problem-solving company that we try to listen to our customers. We make products that support the paper industry, from a simple partition to a paper pad, and those partitions could be used to separate glass bottles, auto parts, cosmetics. We also manufacture a lot of returnable or material handling solutions: fabric, foam, plastic, steel, to some injection molded.
The post-World War II boom opens doors to auto part makers, furniture industry suppliers, and other industrial giants.
The product line grew from confectionery parts to doing die-cast parts for automotive. From automotive, it turned into injection molded parts that replaced the die-cast, as well as from mechanical to electromechanical parts.
And a lot of the growth has come from the desire to meet our customers' demands. With it, it's brought more complex issues and different environments, but it's been a great experience.
Continuous growth requires embracing automation, computerization, and a shift from mechanical to electronic controls.
So technology has played a large role in our business, and we continue to try and advance it. And we do that through not only the IT technologies, but also through some of the materials, some of the equipment.
A lot of the growth and expansion came from the early mindset that if the company made money, it stayed within the company. And that gave us the opportunity to try other things.
Well, one of the big growth areas for the partition group, or the paper business, is through corrugated partitions. So there are a lot of independent corrugated converters who don't want to spend their resources having people putting partitions together by hand. So that is a really good opportunity for us.
Today, Bradford's legacy spans from the U.S. to Mexico and Canada. And for the past decade, the AICC has been a part of this journey.
I was intrigued as much from that element of hearing how these other family businesses solved their challenges and went from one generation to the other.
I think the AICC is extremely important for independent entrepreneurs because it helps link those kind of companies together, and they feel open to share how they do business, and we're able to talk about all the different factors that affect their business.
It's allowed me to network and meet a lot of amazing people, and AICC has also brought up a lot of tough business conversations and family conversations that aren't always easily broached.
So how does a family business endure? The key lies in constant reinvention and embracing change with open arms.
We'd like to see continued growth with all the technological changes, all the automation that's going on in the industry. To be on that cutting edge, that's a fun place to be.
Talent surrounds us. It's our job to snap open that oyster and find the pearl.
We love to win, and we love to help meet our customers' demands, and it's just something that engages us and keeps us motivated. It's just fun to be a part of.
Bradford Company. The passion to protect since 1924.
Thank you for joining us in recognizing the longevity and success of these remarkable AICC member companies.